If you don't have much time but you still want to reduce the noise in your home, here's just a few things that you can do maybe this weekend that will take the edge off of that noise. Check the loft for holes in the structure. Go up in the loft, see any holes, brick them up with sand and cement, and maybe insulate the loft area back from the conflicting separating party wall while you're up there. If you have holes up in the loft, that'll give you an idea of what the rest of the separating party wall will be like. So you might want to go down in the bedroom and pull up the bedroom floors and check for holes in the structure there. Find any holes in the bedroom floor, especially if the joists are running into the separating party wall, then brick up those holes with sand and cement. And while you're there and the floorboards are up, you might want to consider insulating the floor with a rock wool. Insulate between the joists, whether the joists are running parallel or the joists are running into the wall. Fill the void with a rock wool. And finally, check for any hollow stud walls perpendicular. Some of you might have en-suites with stud walls running into the separating party wall. Maybe put your finger in one ear and put your ear against that stud wall. Check for any noise down that hollow stud wall before pulling it apart. And if you do find that there's noise down that stud wall, then remove the plasterboard, not the ensuite side, the bedroom side. Open that up and insulate that stud wall perpendicular. Just doing a few things like that could really take the edge off that neighbour noise coming through. Follow for more useful tips on how to reduce noise in your home.